Hello kids! Today we draw some 2D shapes and learn some colors. So look at these shapes: hexagon, semicircle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Now we draw its shapes. Look at this shape kids. Which shape? It's a hexagon shape. Hexagon. Hexagon. Second, a circle. Which shape kids? It's a circle shape. Circle. Thirds are pentagon. Which shape kids? Pentagon. Pentagon. Triangle. It's a triangle shape. Which shape? It's a triangle shape kids. Triangle. Heart. It's a heart shape kids. Which shape? Heart. Six are a star. Which number? Six number shape. It's a six number shape kids. Six number shapes are a star. A star. Now look at these colors kids. We learn these colors. Look at this color. Which color kids? It's a cool gray color. Which color? Deep violet color. Turkish blue color. Brick brown color. Deep olive green color. Azalea purple color. Look at this. Azalea purple color. Cool gray color. Brick brown color. Deep violet color. Turkish blue color. Deep olive green color. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.